Hey guys, Alessio, hope you're well. Welcome to this market update. So in a few minutes, we'll take a look at this chart, this 100-year chart of the market, and discuss what potentially is happening here. By the way, just to let you know, I'm in the north of Iran by a restaurant. As you can see here, there's a restaurant in the north of Iran in the mountain region. As I probably explained in a separate video, we've been traveling now for a few hours, and we're traveling further north of Iran by the seaside, by the Caspian Sea. I'll show you some videos of that. I want to discuss with you this 100-year chart of the stock market, about a 120-year chart of the Dow, which goes back to the 19th century, goes back to the 1800s and the early 1900s. Now here's the thing, if we connect those highs, and I mentioned this to you some time ago, we connect those highs, we actually get resistance, which we hit recently. By the way, this dog over here, I think it's following me. It wants more treats, even though I've given it treats already. Maybe, anyway. Hey, Human, can you give one more to this dog here? Human's here. Can you see if this dog wants another treat? One more of those treats. All right, guys. So basically what happened was recently, the stock market, the Dow, hit that trend line about a month ago, I think it was. And I actually thought there'd be a pullback or rejection from that trend line. But what actually happened was that the stock market, the Dow, broke above that trend line, that 100-year trend line, and went above it. I was expecting a rejection of the stock market from that trend line. I was expecting it to actually see a major retracement from that level. But surprisingly, that's not what happened. What actually happened was that the market essentially broke above the trend line and went higher. Now, that's typically called a throwover. In technical analysis, in Elliott wave theory, and a throwover is what you see here. A rising trend line, resistance, market price action breaks above it, goes significantly higher. It's often seen as a sign of strength, but here's the thing. It can also be a false breakout, because if the Dow, if the price action falls below the trend line again, that becomes a confirmed throwover signal. A confirmed throwover. So I'm actually wondering whether this is probably a false breakout, and we would know if the Dow breaks down below 33,500. I think support is about 33,600, 33,500. If the Dow now breaks down below that support, we would probably have a false breakout of that trend line, and a throwover signal, which is rather bearish, would be confirmed. By the way, throwover is a bearish signal, so a break below the support level would be probably a sign of a retracement of a major pullback in the market. We shall have to wait and see. And guys, listen, we need to see a shakeout of the bulls. I mentioned this with regards to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has already seen the start of a pullback, and I think what we need to see is a shakeout of the bulls with regard to the stock market as well, and probably that might be it if we see that in the next few weeks and months. All right, guys, so I'm going to now head back with our friend Human here, who's our driver and our good friend. I'm actually crashing, as you know, I'm crashing in his apartment in Tehran. So we're driving together with Sarah to the north of Iran. And in case you're wondering where I am, there's a road called Chalus. The restaurant is called, what does it say? Restaurant?
Hezar Cham.
Hezar Cham, okay. By the way, guys, I'll be posting my videos about the north of Iran on Sarah's channel, which is youtube.com/Hello Iran TV. So go and subscribe, please, to her channel, and you might be able to see some of our videos on that as well. Guys, I look forward to seeing you in more videos in the next few days. Cheers, guys. What'd you get? What'd you get?
Milk, cream, eggs.
So you got milk,
cheese, yeah.
cream, and eggs. Okay.
Yes.
Looks like Huma's gonna be making us an omelet.